Hi, Melody Gilmore here with the Realty firm. I'm here to show you this beautiful property in Lambton County. It is 3783 Petrolia line, 2 kilometers out of Petrolia. This home is amazing. So right now we're in this living room that has a fireplace which will actually heat the whole home. Look at the gorgeous stonework and the high ceilings. This house is amazing. It's lots of windows, nice and bright. Coming in here, we have the kitchen area. And notice the beautiful hardwood floors. This home was built in 2001, but has had many updates. So we have this kitchen, which was just done in 2021, with gorgeous granite counters, so lots of working space, the gas stove, and lots of cupboards. This is actually one of my favorite ones. We have a place to put things away. Love that. So yes, this was all done. The windows were done out in the back. It has a composite deck, so you have lots of entertaining space, and there's an above ground pool. And this home is actually so private because it's set way back from the road, you wouldn't even see the house. And it also has a huge shop out there that I'll tell you about in a minute. And down here, we have our side entrance, double car garage that's insulated. And this is the main floor bathroom. It's a 3-piece bath, nice, spacious, and the really nice part is this is where your laundry is. And beautiful new appliances. And notice the gorgeous tile here. That's one of those favorite features I have. And now I'll take you upstairs. Here we are upstairs, and this is a loft area, which when the home was being built was to be a bedroom, but to me it's just such a nice spacious area just to sit and relax. You can overlook the lower levels, sit, read a book, and it, again, there's no place in this home where it isn't nice and bright. With beautiful wood flooring all the way through here. And this is the amazing master bedroom, primary bedroom. And you'll see how nice and big and spacious it is. Again, nice, bright, with all the windows. And then we have your own private little spa area with a beautiful soaker tub. Beautiful tile flooring. This home has been all redone. Nothing to do but move in. And now we're in the lower level. Actually, the upper level has almost 1,500 square feet. And down here, this finished area gives you even more living space. Has a beautiful gas fireplace. And this room was just finished in the last few years as well. Very nicely done. And you have a sitting area, card playing area, and then behind the barn door, there's a huge storage area with the AC and the furnace are both 2021. And coming over here, we have another bedroom. Again, it's a nice big bedroom, perfect for guests or family. And we also, this is one of the best features about this house, there is a shop out there, and it is 32 by 40, and it has a loft that's heated. There's 3 garage doors, insulated, and it's solar powered. So for all the men out there that are excited about shops, there is the perfect spot. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, give me a call, and have a great day. Buy and sell with Mel. Bye!